Eat cucumbers and heal yourself. 14 Superb health benefits of cucumbers. Cucumbers are extremely healthy vegetables, they are great for detoxification, have a rich source of minerals, and offer countless health benefits. Here are 14 amazing reasons to eat cucumbers as a natural medicine. Hydrates your body. When you don't drink enough water during the day, cold cucumbers will help you hydrate the body. Protects kidneys. Cucumbers support the function of the kidneys, as they lessen the urinary acids in the body. Rich in minerals. They contain large amounts of potassium, magnesium, and silica. Prevents bad breath. Cucumbers treat infections in the oral cavity and prevent bad breath. To eliminate bad bacteria, just squeeze a cucumber piece with your tongue and wait for a minute. Thus, it will give fresh breath and remove plaque on teeth and gums. Removes dark circles under the eyes. Place cucumber slices on the eyes, and fade your under-eye circles. Stops hangover. The high amounts of water, vitamin B, sugar, and electrolytes in cucumbers will treat the morning hangover. Helps digestion and weight loss. Since cucumbers are rich in water and extremely low in calories, they are perfect to help you lose weight and reduce your body fat. Treats diabetes, reduces cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Cucumber juice contains a hormone needed for insulin production. Also, it is efficient in reducing cholesterol levels, and the rich content of magnesium, fiber, and potassium regulates the blood pressure. Detoxifies your body. The high amount of water found in cucumbers cleanses the toxins from your body and furthermore breaks kidney stones. Rich in vitamins. Cucumbers, especially the peel, boost the immune system, as they have a rich source of basic vitamins, such as vitamins A, B, and C. Soothe the stomach and treat wounds. Eat cucumbers in moderate doses to soothe the upset stomach and relieve wounds and cuts. Renew skin and nails. The high content of silica boosts hair growth and makes the hair strong and silky. Alleviate arthritis. Cucumbers are capable of strengthening the connective tissues. Also, in combination with carrot juice, it diminishes the urinary acids, and thus soothes the pain due to arthritis.